A toilet here, and what's happening is the water keeps leaving the tank, and then every once in a while, like once or twice a day, it'll just all of a sudden start filling again because it's drained too much. So inside the toilet bowl here, you can see there's like a current of water constantly running down into this toilet. So we're going to open up the top and we'll look in there. So we're going to remove this lid and then set this somewhere like on a towel so it doesn't get damaged. And then we're going to look here to see if we have water coming over our overflow, which we don't. And if we did, we would hear this would just continue to run. So this is going to deal with that flapper. So before we get started, we need to turn the water off. So that's right behind the toilet. We're just going to turn this off. Once that's off, we're just going to flush the toilet and let the water drain out. Now that that's off, we're going to disconnect this chain. After we remove that, we're going to disconnect the flaps to the flapper. And now we've removed that flapper. Get a towel next, and we're going to wipe this with a towel just to make sure we have any of the corrosion off of there. Now when you go to the store, there'll be universal ones. You might find one that's very similar to yours as well. My parents, for some reason, have 6 of these. This is the one that ended up working. I was thinking I couldn't use it, but all I have to do is pop this circle off, and then with that popped off, then this will just pop into place. I'm going to turn the water on. I know this one actually stopped it. We're going to fill this up and see if this works. Now that the new flapper's on, you don't hear any water dribbling down the side. It actually leaks fairly quickly if you're hearing that, so it's quicker than a bathtub drip or anything like that. So you do want to get that flapper changed out right away. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.